What's going off here?
I don't know. Well, they got the door open. They've got the door open, that's why they have got that. You were it? I didn't see anyone.
Ho, ho, ho!
Dutchman. Great episode. Formula One needs teams like ours. Without the beard and back of the grid, there would be no Formula One. Well, thanks for that, and I'm sure Haas hoping to be more mid than back of the field next year. It's really going to be 19 times ahead for the Haas F1 team. Thanks to everyone who wrote in. We love your feedback and read everything that you say.
Yo! Don't just pull out, you kid. Wait, that was...
But look, put it this way,
Still on his bloody phone. I don't know if the camera caught that or not, but yeah, on an iPhone, black iPhone.
Well, this idea, pushing her around and looking for an alternative, be it, Rishi Sunak or
tomorrow morning at around the same time. And that is just about it this morning from me, Alan Green. Thank you for your company on early breakfast. I'm back tomorrow bright and early from 6. Following the news at 7. It's
That was stupid, wasn't it? Jeez, you want to cut that corner anymore, mate?
Something's not right with this car. Make your mind up, where are you going?
Everyone knows they aren't on comparison sites, so go direct for cycling insurance.
Capital.
Can we keep the party going?
So that's what happens when you run red lights. You can't get all the way across the junction safely.
Everyone just stayed out there all week. What's the point been all week? Oh,
Well, it's 30 mile an hour, you were just behind me. You're just going to shoot round me? Yeah. Didn't want to wait behind me and didn't want to do the speed limit. Well done, Mr. Clever Bollocks. Got right up my arse on Arsehole Avenue roundabout, shot round me, didn't want to do the speed limit, and For what? To get stuck in front of a red light, one car length in front of me? You're an idiot.
Emojis. If you like get your glasses for the first time and you're a bit self-conscious about it, you text your friend and all you can find is a nerd, which obviously has a negative connotation to it.
I won't walk there.
Yeah.
Mate, his wife is still.
Vicky video about Fiat. He had all of his wipers on in steaming hot sun.
Wipers off!
I know, why is it?
Oh my god!
Why can he not know? Does he not know that they're on?
Well, sure.
You turn your wipers off, yeah?
No.
Oh my god, it's making me cringe because you're making them wipe on a dry window. You're going to damage your wipers.
Smashy, smashy. I like that one.